Hello students, let's solve question number 14. So our question number 14 is the perpendicular from A on side BC of triangle ABC. So this is our triangle ABC, and if from A you have perpendicular AD on the side BC, and such that this BD is thrice of CD. Okay, so prove that 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. So what are the sides that we require? If you see here, that is, we need AB square, we need AC square, and we need BC square. Okay, so we need these three sides. So remember those three sides, and for AC square you can have this triangle ADC. This is a right angle triangle, so you apply Pythagoras theorem and you get AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. So we don't need AD square in the proof, so what we do is we take DC on the other side and you get AD square is equal to AC square minus CD square. This becomes your equation number 1. Then for AB square you apply Pythagoras theorem on this triangle, which is again a right angle triangle. So you get AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. So again you keep AD on one side and take BD on the other side. So you get AB square minus BD square is equal to AD square. Now this becomes our equation 2. So from 1 and 2, if you see, their RHS are equal, so I can equate the LHS. So when you equate this LHS, you have AC square is equal to CD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. Okay. Now we need AC, BC and AB. So we need to replace this CD and BD. So for replacing CD, if you see, this is the given condition, which is dB is equal to 3 DC. So if this dB is equal to 3 CD, that means if you take this entire BC, so BC is CD plus BD. So your BC is equal to CD plus BD. Okay. So if you keep this in terms of CD, from here that dB is 3 DC, I can replace this BD with 3 CD and hence this becomes 4 CD. Therefore I will get CD is equal to 1/4 of BC. Okay, you take 4 on the other side. So you get CD is equal to 1/4 of BC. So this is how you get this step, where DC is equal to 1/4 BC. Similarly, to get relation between BC and BD, now since if CD is 1/4, so what happens to BD? So BD becomes 3/4 of entire BC. BC is this entire length. So if CD is 1/4, so of course BD has to be 3/4, right? So this is how this relation is established, and therefore you can replace this DC and BD in the above equation. Okay, so once you replace that, so you have AC square minus, now instead of CD you have BC square, BC by 4 square, right? If you can see this equation, so this was AC square minus CD square. So CD we are replacing from here, and hence you replace that as BC upon 4 whole square, and here BD is replaced as 3/4 of BC. So you get 3/4 BC whole square. So now when you open the brackets, you get this, multiply with 16 on both the sides to eliminate this denominator, simplify it, and hence you get 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Okay.